Is this a game? If it is, I think we're losing. I can't look away, I won't see what they're losing. I see the rain falling far across the distance. It's not my face, but I feel the tears, they're bleeding. Am I human or am I too afraid? Is this human to know and be in pain? When hearts are broken open, the color in our pain is brought to life. The world is something more than black and white and broken. When hearts are broken open, 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 oh. When hearts are broken open, 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 oh. We don't fit in, only trouble we are making. But the truest love doesn't mind the reputation. Are we human or are we too afraid? Is this human?